The Mercedes-Benz E-Class sedan, introduced in Australia and New Zealand at the beginning of 2024, once again shows why it remains one of the leaders in premium safety. Available in the E200 and E300 trims, the model highlights Mercedes-Benz's ongoing commitment to providing drivers and passengers with top-class protection. During crash testing, the E-Class demonstrated impressive resilience in the demanding T-bone side impact evaluation and the oblique pole test. The sedan delivered excellent driver safety outcomes. Full marks were also achieved for the driver in the full-width frontal crash scenario, reinforcing the car's reputation for robust occupant protection. Safety experts praise the results, with comments emphasizing that the E-Class continues its tradition of bringing 5-star safety wrapped in a luxury package. This mix of comfort and advanced protection is what sets the car apart in the premium sedan market. Collision avoidance features further enhance the E-Class's capabilities. Advanced driver assistance systems can identify a wide variety of road users, including pedestrians and cyclists, and intervene to reduce the risk of accidents. Automatic emergency braking performs strongly when preventing collisions with pedestrians. However, testing also revealed one area where improvement is needed: the level of protection to a pedestrian's pelvis if struck. The vehicle scored just 0.74 out of 4.50 points in this category, showing that even highly advanced systems still have room for progress. For anyone seeking both safety and luxury, the E-Class proves to be a dependable choice. It blends Mercedes-Benz's hallmark comfort and refinement with high-end safety technologies that are crucial on modern roads. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more in-depth car reviews and safety breakdowns.